Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. Today we will learn determiners few and little. So let's learn. Most of the students think that few and little both are same, but it's wrong. Both are not same, okay? So let's learn where do we use little and where do we use few. Little is a quantitative word, okay? It is used before uncountable things. Few is a numeral. It is used before countable things, okay? So little is used for negative form. Suppose I am saying I have little money. Means I cannot give you. For not sufficient we will use little. Okay. Few is also used for negative form. Okay. Means if I am saying I have few friends. Means very few friends. Not sufficient. Okay. For not sufficient we will use little or few. Okay. So let's take some example. Few boys, few toys. Okay, so toys and boys both are countable. So with countable we will use few. Okay, little milk, little honey. So milk and honey both are uncountable. So with uncountable we will use little. Okay, so let's learn where we will use a little and where we will use a few. Okay, a little means some at least. Okay, we use it in a positive sense. Suppose I am saying I have a little milk. Means it is sufficient to make tea. Okay. So for sufficient we will use a little. Okay. So a few same as little. Okay. Means some at least. It is also used for positive sense. Okay. Suppose I am saying I have a few friends. Okay. Means friends are sufficient. Okay. So for sufficient we will use a little or a few. Okay. So let's learn where do we use the little and where we will use the few. Okay. So the little, it gives negative and affirmative meaning. Okay. It means whole of any particular quantity. Okay. Example, he drank the little milk I had. Okay. Means whole of any particular quantity. Okay. So the few, it is also gives negative and affirmative meaning. Okay. It means the whole of any particular number. Okay. Example, I corrected the few mistakes he had made. Means a whole of particular number. Okay. So I hope you all have understood. So let's take some example. I want a little sugar for tea. Okay. A little sugar means sufficient to make tea. Okay. So we will use a little. I have already spent the few rupees I had. Okay. The few rupees. The whole of particular number. Okay. So we will use the few. Okay. I had little money those days. Little means very little. Okay. Not sufficient. Next. He is a fool and has little sense. Okay. Little means not sufficient. Very little. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood it very well. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.